We all enjoy having a beautiful backyard to spend time in. Whether it's on warm summer nights or in the cozy winter evenings, having that beautiful and private outdoor personal space to call your own is one of the finer things in life. Tiny affordable upgrades to your backyard can transform it into an even more perfect little getaway that you, your friends and family can all enjoy. Here is a list of 10 cheap backyard DIY ideas you can implement very quickly without breaking the bank. Stick till the end of the video to get some great deals on backyard products you don't want to miss out on. Number 1. Add a fire pit. Fire pits are the perfect entertainment feature for hosting company or to just sit back and relax all by yourself. A nice fire pit is very easy and cheap to build out. First, start off by clearing the area to form a nice-sized walkway, then laying some gardening fabric and some gravel of your choice. The most beautiful-looking fire pit areas have a nice catwalk leading up to the area. Once the gravel is laid out, add your fire pit of choice in the middle with some comfy chairs and you are already halfway done. Next, you can decorate the space with some lights, benches, tables, and even some plants. You can build your fire pit completely out of bricks or purchase an already made metal portable pit you can drop right in for a quick and easy installation. These are easy to come by and very affordable. Check the links in the description below for deals on fire pits you can buy today. If you want to go a bit more expensive, you can go the hardscape route and have one completely built into the ground surrounded by beautiful pavers like these. The choice is yours and the possibilities are endless. Number 2. Cheap backyard lighting ideas are also a great way to transform your backyard into the perfect hangout for friends and family in the late evenings. Most backyards are very dark and gloomy at night since there is usually very little lighting. Adding just the right amount of strategic lighting can brighten up your yard and make it warm, more enjoyable, and increase visibility without overdoing it. An easy way to accomplish this is by using string lights. String lights are a great way to very easily carry light from one side of a yard to the other. They are cheap, simple, and easy to install. Add them along the walls of your fence line or simply hang them above up in the air to create that beautiful fairy garden effect. Another great cheap lighting idea are stake lights. With stake lights you can mark off a nice warm and dim walkway that leads to the main entertainment area of the yard. Stake lights illuminate the ground for a clear path and create a unique enchanted look and feel. There are also torches and wall lights you can add all over the yard wherever you feel like more light is needed. These are all cheap upgrades with much room for creativity. Be sure to check out the description below for great backyard lighting options you can order online today. Coming in at number 3, we have outdoor game areas. Having a dedicated space for outdoor family fun time is a great idea and a very cheap upgrade to your backyard. Basically, all you need is a small minimal space to play. Some cheap and common family-friendly games for backyards are activities like Giant Jenga, Giant Connect the Dots, Backyard Bowling, Darts, Tetherball, Cornhole, and Ladder Toss. Find links to all these fun games and more in the description and buy today. Coming in at number 4, we have comfortable leisure areas. Backyards are supposed to be relaxing, so what better way to relax than having an area with comfy outdoor furniture and a few hammocks and swings to lay on. This simple upgrade gives your yard a welcoming, relaxing feeling that everyone will love. Take a glance at our description below for great deals on backyard furniture, swings, and hammocks for your future comfortable leisure area. Finally, number 5. Having a nice barbecue space is also a very common and inexpensive upgrade to your backyard. With a barbecue area you can enjoy the beautiful outdoors right from your own home and have a tasty treat at the same time. Grills are affordable and give you that simple and very needed activity to do in your yard.
Thanks for watching! Let us know in the comments below which idea was your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content from Buzzworthy Ideas.